Gaeilge Fasti, aniu Tamaj ag Janu G Keshna agus Fragri Leon tá céad agus a dó. So Tamaj Janu ever a 3, ever a 4 agus ever a 5. Ní bhé muid ag Janu ever a 1 agus ever a dó. So we're only doing 3, 4 and 5. So we're doing the question and the answer. And the breather, the verb that we're looking at today, is be, which is a future tense. It means, so if I say be may, it means I will, or nive, I won't be doing it. So we see the question am be, our answer will be be or nive. So ever at 3. It's blank Sean emerge sa clehe jasarn. So because it's a question, it's going to start with an be. An be Sean emerge sa clehe jasarn. So Sean playing in the match on Saturday. So feck and Victor. So this is Victor shot to Sean Gortia. So an be Sean emerge sa clehe jasarn. Could be be Sean emerge sa clehe jasarn or nive Sean emerge sa clehe jasarn. So screven fragger. Don question. And then ever a car. It's missing the start of our question again. So how do we start our question? We start our question with an be she greenwar a mark. So greenwar sunny. So feck earn their skill. So feck their shot. So earn their skill is he kira green. So will she greenwar, will she sunny? A mark. Is it be she greenwar a mark or ni ve she greenwar a mark? So skrive an fragger kart don question. And then ever a kuig shin these jakra. So we're only given the answer to this one. So it says ni ve be tilina jarog air. So he won't. It will be a red t-shirt on him. So the question will always start with an be. So an be tilina, and we've got to change the colour. So maybe an be tilina buier, an be tilina du air, an be tilina corker air, an be tilina lia air. Because our answer says he won't. So we'll have to go an be tilina, and we'll have to change the colour air.